Hi there. Today I will be show you a video how you can merge multiple Excel files using Power Automate online. And these automated cloud follows should be run automatically once someone is upload a new files into a specific folder. They can use Power Apps or any other platform to upload new files on SharePoint document library or OneDrive. So right now I'll be show you with SharePoint document library. So here I create two folders, one is done, another is upload. So someone should be upload new files here, then the follow should be run automatically and will be create tables and merge the files, new files and old files. So this is our master template and this template name is tuba, so we can rename it anything as we want. So someone is upload new files on this upload folder and then the new file should be merged with this master template. So new data should be comes here. Okay, let's go, and then after finish this operation, then this folder file should be moved into this done folder. So let's go start. So we'll be go to the Power Automate and then my flows, create new follows, automated cloud follows, and here will be search over here the SharePoint, and here we can see that when a file is created in a folder. So right now we cannot use this option when a file is created in a folder because it's almost depreciated, and after a few days Microsoft will be removed permanently from their Office 365. So right now we cannot use when a file is created in a folder. So instead of this there have an alternative way which I just identified. So when a file is created or modified, properties only. So we'll be use here when a file is created or modified, properties only. So instead of this option when a file is created in a folder, we'll be use this one. Okay, now go and create, and then we'll be give here the site address and then library name documents, because my library name is documents, and then folder. So what should be our folder? So here our folder should be uploads. So we'll be select here upload folder, sorry, the share documents, and then tuba, and then upload folder. So when a file is created or modified, properties only with this upload folder, then this automated follow should be run automatically. The next step, and then we need to get the file metadata. So we'll be search or get file metadata. Okay, so here we are using the SharePoint for document library. So we need to choose here the get file metadata. Here you can see that it's SharePoint. So if we are using the OneDrive, then we need to use get file metadata for on OneDrive for business. So right now I am choosing here get file metadata, and then site address, and then file identifier. Here we need to specify the file identifier. So let's imagine right now someone is uploading the files with name A, and in next day they will be upload then the file name should be ABCD or something like this. So each time the file name will be changed. So the file name should be file identifier should be dynamic, so we'll be use here only identifier. Okay, so identifier, and then go to the new step, and then here will be choose Excel online business, and firstly will be create the data as a table, because let's go to the download folder and let's see the file format. So this is the file format, and you can see that this is just a plain Excel workbook, and there are no tables in here, and Power Automate will work perfectly within a table range. So right now we are going to create this data. I mean, in this range we will create a table, then we'll be merge the file. Okay, let's do this. So we'll be specify here create table, and the location will be give here the site address, and then document library, documents, and then file. Here we should choose only identifier, because we don't know what is the file name or what is the file, because we are only using this folder, not any specific files. So we'll be use your identifier. Then table range, then what should be our table range, because this should be work within a loop and with a one notation. Let's understand this format. So this is right now the table range A1 to E5. Okay, this is cool. So in next, if the range is increased more 3 lines, then what should be happens, because if we specify here A1 to E5, then in next it will be only work within this range. But if the row size is increased, then what happens? So right now we'll be use your offset function, and will be identify the table range dynamically and automatically. So will be use offset and subtotal function. Let's understand this table range. First of all, let me make some bigger. Here we are using offset, then first bracket A1. That means it will be start from A1, and then comma 0, because we'll be use the first row as our header row, and then data should be start from here. So we are using here the A1 comma 0, then comma 0, then comma subtotal first bracket. The function should be 103. This is the Excel function we will use here, and then comma $A, then clone $A, then close the first bracket, and then comma 5. Why we are using here 5? Because you will be see there your total 5 columns are available. If the column size is increased more 3, I mean if the column size is total 8, then what should be? Then it should be 8 here, not 5, because right now there are 5 columns, and imagine you will be gauge the file regularly within 5 columns, and data format should be looks like, I mean, employee name, daily date, project name, project PLC name, and entered hours within the 5 columns, and the format should be same. Then it will be work perfect. Okay, so that's why I write here 5. Otherwise I have to increase or decrease, or you can increase or decrease the number here. And now uh, table name. So what should be our table name? So you can write here any table name like table 1, table 2, or any specific name. So right now imagine I'm using our table 1. Okay, this file should be create the table 1 within the range, I mean within the offset range. Now here we need to specify the column name. So here we can keep this A1 to header, or we can replace with the new name. So how we do that? So let's do this. We'll be make the column names like A, B, C, D, E and F. Sorry, it should be 5 columns, not more. A, B, C, D and E. So dynamically, once I uploaded this file into this SharePoint upload folder, then it will be get the file metadata and will be create the table with column name A, B, C, D, E, and we'll just delete the A1, I mean the row 1, I mean employee name will be replaced with A, daily date replaced with B, and the project name replaced with C, project PLC name replaced with D, and entered hours replaced with E. But if I just delete this column name, then what happens? Then directly it will be take this name. But imagine in your next file the employee name, this header name are changed only with the employees, then the Power Automate workflow will be create some bugs. So just avoid this and replace with the names with A, B, C, D, E or something else. So I'm just inputting here the column names A, B, C, D, E. That's fine. And then new step. So we are just create the new create tables, and now we need to get this table data here and then merge with master template. Okay, now we'll use our list rows present into a table. So here we are using here the table name 1, so we'll be specify now. Okay, let me choose first Excel online business and then list rows, sorry, list rows present in a table. Okay, then site location, document library, and then file name will be user identifier, and then table. So what should be the table? So table should be the custom value table 1, because in here you will be see the create table we are using here table 1. So list rows present in a table, so directly we will be access this file over here and will be take the data from this file. Okay, now apply to each new step, apply to each, and then will be search the dynamic content values, add an action, Excel online business, and update table, I mean add row into a table. So location, then document library, and then files. So here we need to choose the master file. So what should be our master file? So imagine this is our master template, so you can create any master template and just drag here into any folder, or you can create the folder looks like, I mean, done uploads, and this is the master template. So now I need to choose this master template. Okay, so here I'll be click on this folder icon, and then we'll be go over tuba, and then tuba.xls. This is our master template, because after create table it will be get the data from this table, and then it will be merge this data with this master template. So now I need to choose here the table name. So it shows on this drop menu, it shows the tuba, because you will be see that this master template, if I go to the table design, you'll be see the table name is tuba. So directly it shows here on this drop menu, it shows the tuba. Now your AF name, date, project name, labor category and hours are visible, because here you can see the column name here. Now we need to link up with column A, B, C, D, E. Let me make some bigger. A, B, C, D, E. So what we need here, we need to use the expression. Okay, so the AF name and then expression, I need to item, and then here should be A. I can just copy this, and then expression, it should be B, and then project name, expression with C, the labor category, it should be D, expression, and it should be E. Okay, now next step will be move the file. I mean, after done this operation, this upload folders file should be moved into this done folder. Okay, so if we use here the move file, I mean move, almost there is a function for move file. Let me show you. Here you can see the move file. So if I use here right now the move file, I can test it and see that there is something bug. So instead of this move file operation, will be use the copy file and delete function. So then it works fine without any bugs, and it takes only 20 seconds, I mean less than 20 seconds to finish the whole process. So copy file, site address, file to copy will be user identifier, and then site designation site, and then designation folder, I mean which folder you want to move the file. So I am to copy the file into this done folder. Okay, now if another file is already there, then you can replace with the file or copy with a name. So it's fine, we can copy with a new name, and then we need to make another operation, delete file. Will we use a delete file, because if again the file is available here, then the master template will be duplicates the file. So just avoid this, will be just delete, I mean after finish the operation, will be copy this file into this done folder and just delete this file from upload folder. Okay, so we'll be search delete delete file SharePoint, and then site address, and then file identifier should be only identifier. Now it's ready to test. Just save this, and now I'll be just upload a new files here. So this is our new file. So let's see, I'll be make some changes here that I can see my file works fine. I'll be just all make B. Okay, Let's try. Here you can see there is no project name or level category, or name is D. Let me refresh this. You can see there is no data with B, and I'll be just upload these files. Just make me save. Now I'll be go to test manually. Okay, now just upload, and let's see what happens. It should be start soon. Yeah, your follow is running, and it should be take only less than 20 seconds. Wow, it almost works, and there is no bugs I can see. Just wait until finish to see what happens. Wow, it works. 9 seconds. Yeah, now it shows it's done, and you can see that the V is almost there, and also the old file is available here, and you can see the new data is available. And now let's go over to the upload folder, and you can see that there is no files. We just upload here, and go to the toolbar and that folder. You can see the new file is available here with new names. So in this way you can just automate a folder, I mean the SharePoint folder, and merge multiple Excel files into a single master template, and increase your organizational performance. So, and you can connect this upload folder to any Power Apps or any others application that someone wants upload their files, I mean the file attachment in SharePoint. Then this follow should be run automatically and will be done all process automatically. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and in my next video I will be show you how you can use move files and fix all bugs, and I'll be show you all necessary step with the move files instead of copy and delete options. Thank you.